In this video, we're going to look at the concept of reactions of alkanes for chemistry. And after going through this video, you understand the basic concept behind reactions of alkanes for this chemistry. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. Alright, having done that, let's go into the details of the video. Okay, we are looking at reactions of alkanes. Now, note that alkanes react via addition reactions. Okay, note that alkanes react via addition reactions. Now, let's begin with this kind of addition reaction of alkanes. When you add hydrogen molecule to an alkane, the process is known as hydrogenation. So addition of hydrogen is known as what? Hydrogenation. Now, hydrogen can react with the double bonded carbons to open up the double bond and form the equivalent saturated alkane. Let's illustrate this using a structure. Okay, remember we're looking at reactions of alkanes, and I see that alkanes react via addition reactions. One of the ways it can express this is by reacting with hydrogen, known as hydrogenation. So basically, let's say 18. As we all know, 18 has the formula to be C2H4. So this is a structure of 18. Okay. When 18 reacts with hydrogen molecule, we're going to have the output to be a saturated alkane. In this case, we're going to have an ethane. So this will be our product. Okay. So this is a saturated alkane. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so the formula, chemical formula for this is C2H6. So when an alkane reacts with a hydrogen molecule, we're going to have the output to be a saturated alkane. Note again that this kind of reaction takes place in the presence of a catalyst. Alright, so this arrow in the case of a catalyst, this catalyzes the reaction. Okay, so this arrow is the catalyst. So this is a kind of addition reaction, example of an addition reaction. When alkanes react with hydrogen molecule, it's going to form a saturated alkane. So take note of this kind of example. Now, had it been, let's say, an alkane like propane, which chemical formula is C3H6. Okay, had it been it reacted with hydrogen molecule, we are going to have the product to be a saturated alkane, which is our propane. And the chemical formula for propane is C3H8. So when an alkane reacts with a hydrogen molecule, we're going to get an equivalent saturated alkane. Alright, so take note of that. You get an equivalent saturated alkane. When butane reacts with hydrogen molecule, you get butane as an equivalent saturated alkane in that order. So take note of this. This is one of the addition reactions of alkanes. Now let's look at another kind of addition reaction of alkanes. Before we wipe this, so we can still remember that alkanes have a double carbon-carbon bond in their structure. So this is the double bond in this structure of an alkane, whereas alkanes have a single carbon-carbon bond in their structure, just like in this example. So let's wipe this and look at another addition reaction of alkanes. Another way alkanes can react via addition reaction is by this. Now, steam can react with alkanes to form alcohols. Alright, steam can react with alkanes to form alcohols. Now note that when alkanes react with steam, water is added across the double bond and an alcohol is formed. For instance, Or for example, alcohol can be made by making ethane with steam and then passing it over a catalyst. When you react ethane, this is the formula for ethane. Now, when you react ethane with steam, and the steam is in form of water, H2O, okay, in the presence of a catalyst, we're going to have the product to be an alcohol. This time around, we're going to have an ethanol as the product, which is an alcohol. So this is the chemical structure for ethanol. Alright, alcohols have OH functional group, and this is the OH functional group. Okay, we still get to the concept of alcohol soon. Just know that when alkenes react with steam, water is added across the double bond and an alcohol is formed. So this is a typical example of an addition reaction of alkenes, mixing ethane with steam and then passing it over a catalyst. Okay, now let's look at one more addition reaction of alkenes, and after it we can call it a class. So this is the chemical formula for ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay, so let's wipe this. Now, another way alkenes can react via addition reaction is by reacting with halogens. Okay, now know that halogens can react with alkenes. Alkenes will also react in addition reactions with halogens. And we know that halogens include elements in the group 7 of the periodic table. We have our bromine, we have our chlorine, we have our iodine, we also have fluorine. Know that when alkenes react with halogens such as bromine, chlorine, and iodine, the molecules formed are saturated with the double carbon-carbon bonds, the carbons each becoming bonded to a halogen atom. Now, for example, bromine and ethane can react together to form dibromoethane. So let's use chemical structure to represent this. So this is ethane. Okay, now ethane reacts with bromine molecule to form dibromoethane, and this will be the chemical structure for dibromoethane. Okay, so we have the bromine atom here. So this is the structure of dibromoethane. So when alkenes react with halogens, they form saturated molecules with the carbons each becoming bonded to a halogen atom, just like in this example. Okay, now had it been this ethane reacted with chlorine molecule, the output would have been a dichloroethane. Instead of a dibromoethane, it would have been a dichloroethane. Alright, so in that order. Now know that in this kind of reaction with halogens, it does not happen in the presence of a catalyst. Okay, so take note of this. So let's go to the class. I hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, sure you check the description of this video below. Same link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. So ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding this topic for chemistry, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.